Today we're making a dish deeply rooted in tradition, Kanji Vada. This may look like just another snack, but it's actually a natural probiotic powerhouse. It's excellent for your gut, it's detoxifying and naturally low in calories and high in flavor. Let's get to the recipe. Firstly, dry roast black mustard, yellow mustard, ajwain and whole red chilies for 2 minutes. Now add hing and roast for another minute. Once this cools down, grind to a fine powder to make the kanji masala. The next step is to take a liter of water and add to it turmeric powder, black salt, mustard oil and kanji masala. Now cover the vessel and allow the water mixture to ferment for 1 to 4 days, preferably in sunlight. Now let's make the vadas. Soak moong dal and urad dal for a minimum of 6 hours. Now grind the dal with ginger and some water to a coarse paste. Now whisk the dal batter with hands to incorporate air and make the vadas spongy. Now add green chilies and chopped coriander. The next step is to heat some oil for frying. Make small vadas and fry. Now soak these vadas in salty water for 10 minutes. Now squeeze and take out the excess water from the vadas. Soak them in the kanji water. Garnish in bundi and mint leaves before serving. Now give this recipe a try and let us know how your fermentation journey goes. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.